So there are several common items and design choices that can make a home feel smaller than it actually is, okay? Often without homeowners even realizing it. So here are some of the biggest culprits that make a home feel smaller. The first section is furniture and layout. So oversized furniture, think large sectionals, bulky recliners, heavy entertainment centers, okay? Those can overwhelm rooms. The next part is too much furniture. You can have too much furniture in a room and it can make the space feel smaller. And the last one under furniture and layout is the furniture is pushed up against every wall. So this can flatten the space instead of opening it up. The next section is visual clutter. So think excess decor, open shelving with tons of items, countertop that is overloaded with items, okay? Small appliances on every surface can actually shrink kitchens. All right, psychologically, okay, so you want to avoid those things. The next section is lighting issues, dark or heavy window treatments, poor lighting. Dim rooms make a room and a home feel smaller, okay? Lighten up the space. And small or outdated light fixtures. If you have a big space and you have a small light fixture, it just doesn't seem right. That'll make the space seem smaller, okay? Now let's dive into color and matches. So dark paint in small rooms is a big no-no. It makes the room feel smaller. Matter of fact, there's a reason why new home builders put white paint or cream color in every room when they sell a home, okay? It makes the space seem bigger. Too many contrasting colors. So visual breaks can make rooms feel choppy. You don't want to do that. Busy patterns. So heavy wallpaper, rugs, or fabrics can overwhelm small areas. Next one is storage problems. This is the biggest one that I see when I show homes, okay? Items stored in plain sight, junk everywhere, overflowing closets, freestanding storage units. You have so many of these in a room, in a space, even in a garage where you have too much storage, can actually make the space seem smaller. Now let's talk about architecture and flow, okay? So blocked sight lines, which is tall pieces of furniture or room dividers interrupt that visual flow, okay? Crowded entryways, when you have shoes, coats, furniture at the door, they can shrink the home. Okay, we're actually guilty of this as a family, okay? Low hanging decor, so hanging items too low can visually lower the ceiling height when you're thinking about this, okay? So the bottom line, and actually here's a pro tip for you, especially useful for downsizing or staging a home, is removing 10 to 20% of visible items often makes a home feel noticeably larger without spending a dime, okay? These are the things that can make a home feel smaller. Tell me what you thought. Tell me what you think about this episode. Share your thoughts in the comments. Otherwise, I appreciate you watching the whole thing, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks everyone for watching this episode of the AskJasonGelios show. Be sure to head over to wherever books are sold online, including Amazon, for my latest book, The Senior's Guide to Buying and Selling a Home, the next chapter, and Think Like a Realtor, the little book about buying and selling residential real estate. Thank you.